the Ultraloq Lever. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a smart door handle, the Ultraloq Lever. A while back I reviewed the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro, and that has been a solid performer. These share a lot of the features which I will go over, along with a brief install and the lever functionality. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The Smart Lever Lock features 4-in-1 keyless entry. You can use fingerprint, code, phone, and keys. It's compatible with Wi-Fi, Alexa, Google, IFTTT. The battery lasts 1 year or 8,000 times access. Fits your standard US doors. Uses premium zinc alloy, and it's a combination of black and a silver finish. It can be used for families, Airbnb, landlords, and renters. The Ultraloq Lever comes in a fairly large box and is packaged nicely. Opening the box, you'll find the user guide on the top, and underneath the styrofoam packaging are the hardware. Inside you get the exterior assembly, interior assembly and mounting plate, 3 AA batteries, the bolt, strike plate, user manual and drilling template, optional Wi-Fi bridge, tools, keys, and screws. And here is a brief look at all the items. Here is the inner assembly which houses the battery. It's just a matter of sliding the plastic cover to access the compartment. One thing you will notice is both interior and exterior assemblies definitely have some weight to them, and it feels solid with this zinc alloy material. Now for a quick install. I will go briefly over the process as it's fairly simple to install. It won't be a step-by-step. This is the standard door that will be installed on. So first, remove the existing doorknob and then install the bolt, followed by the exterior assembly and the mounting plate. Guide the ribbon cable through and attach it to the interior assembly. Use the provided screws to secure the interior assembly and install the batteries. Once installed, download the app and follow the on-screen prompts to set up. Here you can see the biometric feature. It's very responsive with the reader and it's quick to open. Now the keypad function. It's just a matter of tapping on the screen and the numbers will illuminate. Enter the passcode to open. The bottom of the exterior assembly has access to the mechanical key override along with a micro USB port for backup power, such as a power bank for access in case the battery has died. The app is straightforward when setting it up. Once you have your lock associated with it, you can use Bluetooth settings or the optional Wi-Fi adapter to access your lock. You can use the app to open the lock, manage users up to 60 can be added, view logs, and manage general settings from notifications, pairing the Wi-Fi adapter, all the way to firmware updates. Overall, I found the installation process to be straightforward. The lever design and build is sleek and it feels solid. I had no issues with the different modes of locking and unlocking it, and I like the fact that there are numerous ways. This is definitely a versatile smart lock, and it can be used in many applications at your residence. So that is my review of the Ultraloq Lever. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.